Hello everyone, welcome to day 17 of our Capcut editing tutorial. I'm happy to be here today again. In today's video, we are going to learn how to flip and rotate either video or picture in Capcut. So that is what we are going to talk on today. So if that is the reason you click on this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and as well check out all the videos that I have on this channel. I'm doing tutorial on anything that's related to my niche, either OBS, either Capcut, either Keynote, either Prism Live, or YouTube growth and how you can get to monetization, online sources. So those are the things I am doing on this video. So if that is the reason you click on this video, do well to subscribe, and then so that if I drop a mind-blowing video, you'll be the first to notify. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into my phone and then we can do it. It's a very simple video and let's follow it step by step. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So as you can see, this is my phone. Without wasting time, I'll go into my Capcut directly, and then I'm going to click on and tapping on new project as usual. Then I'll go to bring in the video that we want to use. So this is the video that I am going to use. It's just a short video of myself, and as you can see, I just record this video before this tutorial. So I'm going to cut some parts so that we can be able to use it just to do dengue posts. I'm just dengue posts. So let me cut it, and then I've taught us how to cut video and everything, and then let's just trim this place. We don't want too long video for this video. As you can see, this is the video, and then the first thing to make it, I have to beautify my face. So I've taught us that. I've told you, do not be scared to beautify your face. YouTube allows it, okay? YouTube allows it. It doesn't tell you don't beautify your face. No, beautify it so that you can be attract to more people on your page. I show us almost every time the way I'm doing it. So that is that, as much as possible to make the face look more beautiful. So I will now do the color grading, so that at least to do the color grading, I have a video already on this series that we are doing, that I've already done the color grading. So how to do color grading, go and check out the video as well. It's something that will help you. See, you can see the way even see, if I go like this, it go down. If I come like this, it brightens the video. And I did not even have my light on up here. I don't on it because I know my Capcut will help me. So I'm going to do contrast a little bit. I'm going to add saturate to make my face look beautiful. I'm going to reduce the brightness of this video. It's too bright for me. The contrast also, I'm going to reduce it. And then the saturate, I've turned it to brilliance. Okay, you can see how I do my video. That is how I edit my video. So I'm just trying to make sure that it is my shirt is yellow, so I want to see if I can add more yellow to it. Okay, I want it to dark. So that is the way I do this. I do my video. So you can see me, and then this is me from the other one to this one. You can see how simple it is. So now that I've done all this setup finish, so you can see that you can say I am in this side. So I first of all want to flip it. Okay, I am in this side here, and I want to flip it to this side. That is what flip or rotate. To rotate, I will come to you. That is what flip means. You want to come from the left to the right. That is flip. So you tap on the video first. You tap on this place video, tap on the video, and go and look for transform. So okay, you can see this is transform here. I tap on transform. When you get to transform, you're going to see 3 options: mirror, rotate, and resize. Okay, so you are going to tap on mirror. Once you tap on mirror, you will see that the video, I will come to this side. That is flip. I come from the other side to this side. If I tap it again, I go back again. You can see I can keep going like that. You can see tap, 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 flipping, 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 flipping. So that is how to flip your video. And if you want to rotate it now, you want to rotate it, that means you want to turn upside down. That is the meaning of rotate. So you see there's option for rotate down here. Also you tap on rotate, you can see you have turned it like a that you want to do it in a vertical. That is one rotation. You can continue to rotate it. I turn my head upside down. Also you can continue to rotate it. I come up again until I come to this side again. So that is how to rotate. You can rotate clockwise, you can rotate the way you want it. It's you yourself that will determine how you want to rotate it. So if you play the video, you see that I am on this side already. Okay, I can flip it again and I'll come back to this side. Also you can see I flip it again, I come back to this side again. You can see the way you can do it. It is you that will determine how you want your video to look like. Okay, I can decide to rotate it and play it again. You see, I can rotate it so you can see. So that is how the video works. You see, it's easier with rotating, and then I can decided to rotate it and play it again. So this is so simple and direct for us to learn something. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying this video. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, comment below in this video. It's very important. It will help me to help this video to push to more people that really needed it. Okay, so that is the advantage of liking or commenting on a video that you watch, that you get benefit from. Okay, so with that, I will say we have come to the end of today's 17, and then my name remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. I am here to tell you that you on this channel, there is a lot for you to benefit. As I've said from the beginning, I'm doing tutorial, I am teaching step by step, so there is a lot for you to learn in this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel and then follow me every video that I'm doing, because it's going to be a benefit to you guys, to my followers, to my subscribers, and then that is why I am here. Without you, there cannot be me. Watch the next video that you're going to see on your screen, because it's going to help you to continue your editing skills as well. With that, I will say thank you for watching, and I will see you in day 18. Bye.